Hello everyone, today I will be discussing a data management and analyzing using a Jamovi. We will cover several key areas: transferring data, cleaning and analyzing it. So this is my data from the Excel. First we need to ensure that all variables have been successfully transferred from the Excel to Open the Jamovi, press the 3 button and select open and choose the file that containing your data. So this is my data. I will verify that all columns and variables are present and correctly formatted. So to check for the normality and outlier, what we are gonna do is press the button of analysis, exploration and go to descriptive. And then put all the variables on the variables column. Make sure your statistic will be on mean, median, standard deviation, maximum and minimum. And lastly, the normality that we want to check, just press the Shapiro weight and the Shapiro weight will appear on the screen. So as you can see, the normality of this data is unnormal. But based on the central limit theorem, we have 50 participants that will ensure the data is normal. Next, to check the outlier, need to press the plots and find a QQ plot and tick the QQ plot. Wait for the plot to appear. As you can see here, all the data value is all close to middle line. So, therefore, there is no outlier and the data value are considered normal. So, next, we need to create a new variable for the factor of emotional intelligence, which is well-being, self-control, emotionality, sociability, and global trait. How to do that? Go into the empty column and press the new variable and rename the variable as a factor that have 5 factors. So right now, well-being will be a new variable. Press function and find sum. Right now, you just need to put a number of question. For the well-being is number 5 plus 20 plus 9 plus 24 plus 12 and question 27. Follow the same step of each factor. Right now, I have the data of well-being. Now, let's explore the data using descriptive statistic. Go to analysis, exploration, and descriptive. Then, drag the age on the split by and all the new variable to the variable column. Ensure the all are inside of the column. Now, for the plot, click on the bar plot. So, as you can see, from the bar plot, age of the more than 27 years is more higher of the factor emotional intelligence. So for the last step is inferential statistic, which is we'll need to answer our research objectives, which is to compare the emotion intelligence factors between age of the participant. Now, go to the analysis, find ANOVA, click on one-way ANOVA, put the age on grouping variables and the 5 new variables in dependent variables. The table will appear and the p-value is all over the significant level. Now, for assumption checking, the ANOVA test will use a leaving test, which is click on the homogeneity test. Now, there are 3 variables that below on 0.05, which is reject the research objective, and 2 variables are above 0.05, which is there is no significant difference on emotional intelligence factors between age. So for the 3 variable that below of alpha level, we need to use a Kruskal-Wallis test, which is select the ANOVA and find one-way ANOVA Kruskal-Wallis. Put the three variables that below 0.05 and the data of non-parametric test will appear. So, this is how you use Jamovi to make a one-way ANOVA statistic. Thank you.